Hi guys, Osama here from Modify You, and today I'm going to unbox the flagship phone of brand Infinix. The name of the phone is Infinix Note 4 Pro. So in this video I will unbox this phone for you, and also we have a brief review of this phone, especially about the camera of this phone. So let's unbox this phone. In the big box we have two boxes, the small box and the big box. The big box is for the phone and the small box is for the flip cover, the smart cover. I think it's only the user manual. Okay, so firstly I will unbox the big box of the phone. Here we have a phone, of course. Very premier look of phone, metallic edges, back is also metallic shining. Okay, so let's see what else inside the box. We have many things, like we have a hands-free. You can see a good quality hands-free. We have also the transfer data cable for charging purpose, the micro slot, and we have a ejecting tool for SIM and memory card tray ejection. Very good. The Infinix branded SIM protector. Some user manual, we don't need them. It's very difficult to pull the charger out. Yes, we have a smart charger. They call it XCharge. It can charge your phone fast. That's it, nothing else left. So let me assemble all things together. Phone, charger, hands-free, and the relay. So now it's time to unbox the small cover, the flip cover. Okay, we have a user manual, we have a pen. They call it XPen, a smart pen. Yes, you can see here three nodes. It's the nodes, the charging purpose, and the branding of Infinix. You can see clearly. And also we have, of course, the flip cover. Let's have a look. It is very handy and very well designed. We can put the pen here. The nodes should be inside the flip cover. Let me remove the sticker of it. Fine, we all done. Okay, so now I will boot the device for the first time. Downstairs we have the charging slot, the speakers. On the left side we have three nodes. It is for the charging purpose of the XPen. When we will put this phone in the flip cover, it will connect to the XPen. On the upside we have a headphone jack, nothing else. On the right side we have volume keys, power keys, and also a SIM tray. The sides are metallic and very shiny. The back side of the phone is matte finishing, and also the branding of Infinix Note 4 Pro. Okay, so let me remove the covers. Okay, meanwhile I'm removing the cover and also turning on the device for the first time. I will tell you about the specification of this phone. So yes, we have the built-in OS is Nougat 7.0, and the dimension of phone is very handy. It is 159 into 78 into 8.3 mm. The weight of the phone is 200 grams. Okay. It can support dual SIM, standby with the macro SIM card as well. I have the black color here. So it also can support 2G, 3G and 4G of course. The CPU 1.3 Octa core processor. The display of this phone is IPS LCD, and the size of the screen is 5.7 inches. Okay, the most important thing is the built-in memory and the RAM. The built-in memory of the phone is 32 GB, which is very good, and the RAM is 3 GB, so you can easily on your task smoothly. Also, we can do here multitasking as well. So, for the rest of the specification, the camera is 30 megapixel back camera and 8 megapixel front camera. The camera support geotagging, face detection, HDR mode, panorama mode, video mode in 30 frames per second in 1080p. Okay, so my device is just started. I'm just setting the theme of this phone. I like this theme. Okay, ta-da! The phone is on for the first time. Yes. Now I will check the functionality of the phone. It's very smooth. The notification bar. Let's check the settings about the phone. Yes, we have the Nougat 7.0. You can see the logo of Nougat. I don't know if it is applicable to OG or not, but right now the Nougat is working perfect on this phone. No lagging, no stucking, very smoothly. Okay, so I will open some tasks here, like let me register my fingerprint as well. It will take time, of course, to register my thumbprint. Different angles, many times. Ta-da, done, done. Okay, power of this device, make it on. Yes, fast. Touch on. Power, touch on. Very good. It's very impressive. The sensor of the fingerprint is very fast. It's very supportive, real time. Okay, I'm opening some apps to check the performance of this phone. It can also support multitasking as well. You can put two apps together up and down and can work on two apps simultaneously. Okay, it's time for the flip cover. So let me put this phone, set the cover. You can see the three nodes here. The three nodes is for the charging purpose of the XPen. As I told you before, you connect here. It is showing notification that the pen is inserted inside already. Very beautiful. This is called the smart cover, because when we put the lid on, it will show a different display here. The torch, impressive, and the upside we have the music player. I don't have any music right now, so it will just show me the player. Very easy to eject the phone, the pen, sorry. The touch is very good with the pen as well. So here is some functionality of the XPen. We can write something over here like a note. like you are in a class and you want to note down something. You can type as well, save the data. The best part is you can take a screenshot with the phone, the specific area. Yes, it's very easy. You can type on this, put on the screen as well, and add some shortcuts as well, like Chrome and all things you need. Yes, we have shortcuts. You can see, like if you want to open the camera as well. That's it, we can put the pen inside. Here's the charging cable, the charger, the hands-free, and the boxes. So guys, I really like this phone. The functionality of the phone is very good.
It is out of focusing. The video is pretty clear and the sound as well. Recording video from Infinix Note 4 Pro front camera, outdoor mode. The quality is pretty nice. See the color saturation here. This is my bike. So this is front video camera view of Infinix Note 4 Pro. You can see the quality of video is very good. You can see even my pimples here. I don't know it's focusing or not. Not focusing. But the quality is pretty nice. This time I'm on the front flash and recording video from front camera, of course. You can see the video is pretty clear than before. Let's focus. No, let's focus. The focus is fixed.